Hello, artists. Mrs. Castle here, and I want to go over with you the photography assignment that we're starting, and I've got you on a cart so we can move around a little bit and learn how to take good close-up photos. Got my iPad here and my camera open. Like if I take this photo. That's an okay photo, but it's not close up on anything. That's not what we want this time. Oops, now turn your live off too. Make sure that this button right here, this way backwards. This button right here is off. If it's white. If it's yellow like that, it's going to take a live photo, and that'll be kind of strange to work with. So make sure that that little target thing is white and has a little bar through it. You can turn the HDR on. That tends to take a better quality photo. But if you're concerned about space on your iPad, you can turn the HDR off. Okay. All right, so to take a good close-up photo, let's come over here and let's see. Like I've got some things sitting here on this metal flat file, and a flat file is a file cabinet that has really skinny drawers, and some of you will be storing some things in there. So I've got these objects here, and I'm going to show you, and I want the bigger things in there to take up most of the space, or smaller objects to take up most of the space. I think that's exactly the way I want to see it or say it. Don't take your photo. Oops, you can't see that, but don't aim down at things. Oops. Don't aim down, because that's going to be awkward to do our next step. Don't do that. Take them like you're looking straight at it, like that. Okay. So I've got my objects, like I'm looking straight at them, eye level. Okay. That's a good close-up photo. Okay. So let's try this again. Let's find another spot. Don't know why that's there. Go that way. All right. Over here, there's some interesting things that I'm gonna steer over here. It doesn't matter what it is that you're taking the photo of, just as long as, so you can see a little bit better, just as long as the objects are really big on your screen and are pretty much at eye level. Like the middle of the photo is consider that eye level. Or if you can see, I don't know if you can see it on here, there's I can't tell. Okay, let's put this on. I think you can see it better on the dark background if I can get it to cover up everything. There's a grid on my there we go. There's a grid in my screen, And eye level could be where the bottom line is. The eye level could be where the top line is, or close to there, but try to avoid exactly in the middle. Okay, that's bad composition, and we never want to divide something that some art piece that we're making exactly in half, either this way or this way. We'll talk about that a lot more. So I'm going to line up my hot glue gun where that, the top grid line and the left hand grid line kind of cross. So that's going to be pretty good composition. And I'm going to take my picture. Check your picture to make sure it's not blurry, because mine was wobbling around a little bit. So, and I'm going to put something else in there. And I'm going to take another picture. Take several pictures. So now my glue gun is where those two lines cross, and my ladybug is where those two lines cross. And I'm going to move in a little bit more and take another picture. Okay, let's look at that one. Okay, that's looking interesting. And I have part of my jug in there too, so that helps it make the photo look interesting as well. All right, so what I want you to do is take 5 or 6 photos, okay, and pick your 3 best ones that have nice close-up images, like small things that I can pick up in my hand that are very close, or that look very big on my screen. That's how you know it's a close-up photo. If it's a smallish object and it's really big in the screen, it's a close-up photo and you're successful. So take 5 or 6 photos, pick your 3 best ones, and submit them to the assignment. It would be great if in-person students have this done Sunday night so that you have your photos when you come in on Monday, because we're going to start doing the second part on Monday in class. So actually, I try not to do this very often, but I'm going to have it be due on Sunday. So for my third quarter students, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So you have your assignment ready to go, and then we can start right away working on the next part of it. Remote students, actually, I'm going to make it due for you on Sunday as well. So when you come to our live stream on Monday, I will show you what we're going to be doing for the next part. So have a great weekend. Have fun taking your photos. And I look forward to seeing your 3 photos bright and early Monday morning. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.